What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and today is day 12 of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. So if you're new to my channel and you have no idea what I'm talking about, basically every day for the entire month of June I'll be posting a new video that is going to help you get your life together. So June is already half of the year and we don't want the rest of the year to pass us by without us having done anything for ourselves or having felt as if we accomplished anything. So before I share with you the productivity challenge for today, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is my only social media and I have so much exclusive lifestyle content over there. Okay, so today the challenge is, drum roll please, you are going to declutter your closet. I am actually really excited about this. I am very excited about all of these challenges because I can actually see a huge difference. As you can tell, my desk is still very clean for my challenge that I did earlier in my 30 days, which was to clean the space that you use the most. My vanity looks amazing. I'm just feeling like so productive and so organized and so inspired, and I really hope that you are feeling the same way. You might not be able to get everything done today, but definitely set aside about 20 minutes. You will be surprised at how much time you have to declutter. If you did our 10-minute tidy a few days ago, I will link in that video. You'll see how much you can get done in 10 minutes. So maybe you can do another 10-minute declutter and go into your closet and tackle some of the clothes that you have inside there. So I know I'm a huge guilty person when it comes to this. I literally hoard clothes that I will probably never wear in my life again. So I'm definitely doing this challenge along with you and going through my closet and getting some things out and maybe start building my signature look or investing in key pieces in my closet that I would absolutely really love to wear, instead of just looking at really old colors and old styles that I really am not a fan of. So you can do this with your clothes, your shoes and your accessories. So while you're listening to the rest of the video, you can be going into your closet, girl, and taking out some of those things that you really don't want to wear, throwing it onto your bed and then sorting it through, and of course giving away as much as you can to other people who might be less fortunate than you and might need those clothes more than you do and will actually wear them, to be honest. Okay, so these are the clothes I decided to give away. To be fair, I know it looks like a little bit, but right before this year started I actually decluttered a ton of clothes, so it kind of looks scarce right now. But I'm giving away this skirt. It's like a graphic skirt, like a penciled skirt. I really liked it at the time, but it doesn't fit me that well. And then I have a Forever 21 jersey dress, and I don't know why I thought that this would ever look good on me. I am so short and this is just baggy and it just does not fit me well. It doesn't make me feel good, so I'm giving away this. An old skirt that I had, I wore it a few times, so I definitely got some use out of it, but I don't think it really fits in with what I'm wearing right now and how I want to dress and stuff like that. And then I have some old leggings. I am very particular with my workout clothes. If I don't feel good in my clothes, I really can't work out, and this, it just doesn't fit me well. I don't like the band of it. It doesn't like hug my body. And then this is an old one as well that I really don't like. It was cute for a while, like I love the meshing detail here, but I just don't like it anymore. It doesn't fit me well. Old backpack, which was cute back in the day, so I think it's time to give this away to someone else who will really like and appreciate a backpack. So I have another Forever 21 dress that has just gotten way too short for me. I don't know what it is. My butt just is always showing in this dress. And then I have this pant here that at one time fit me really well, and now it literally can't fit me anymore. Such a cute pant though. So these are the clothes that I'm giving away. I'm just gonna fold it up and put it in my giveaway bag. Let me know how your closet declutter goes. I'm very excited to hear. Comment down below and let me know some of the things that you got rid of. Oh, this just gets me so excited, as you can tell. So I hope that you enjoyed this productivity challenge for today. Give it a huge thumbs up if you're excited for the rest of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. I'm so excited to share the rest of content that I have planned for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It honestly means so much to me and it really supports what I'm doing, and it really means a lot to me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for my next productivity challenge. Bye! Mwah.